My name is Nigel Spence. I'm coming to you from the backyard of my restaurant, Ripe Kitchen and Bar in Mount Vernon, New York. And today I'm going to teach you how to make fruit punch using pineapple juice as one of the ingredients. Making fruit punch is really simple, and when you're having a backyard party, it's probably one of the best additions you can have to your backyard party to make it a lot more fun. Because apart from making the fruit punch, once the fruit punch is done being made, you can always add any kind of alcoholic ingredient that you'd like to it to make it that much more special. Making fruit punch, my recipe is very easy and very tasty. I like to use a lot of tropical ingredients, of course, for fruit punch. My first here is some orange juice, which I use probably about 3/4 of a cup of orange juice. Then I'm going to use a bit of guava juice here. I'll use a little less of that, maybe about 1/2 cup. And then I am going to add the grenadine syrup. Grenadine syrup is pomegranate based. It's used a lot at bars for many different drinks. You only need just a little bit to give it a little bit of sweetness and also to add a little tropical color. So maybe about 2 tablespoons. And then we're going to finish off with another very tropical juice, which is the pineapple juice. And on this one, we're going to use, again, probably about 3/4 of a cup on this. Then, to finish it all off, I'm going to put a couple of squeezes of lime juice right inside to add to that tartness. And piece of lemon. Just another squeeze of lemon. Then there are a lot of tart juices in there, so I'm also going to add just about a tablespoon of granulated sugar. So you just give this a quick whirl, and very simply you have a wonderful tropical fruit punch, also using pineapple juice. Alrighty. I think we're ready for a party here. My name is Nigel Spence. I'm coming to you from Ripe Kitchen and Bar in Mount Vernon, New York. Thank you very much for watching.